what's up? Welcome to my channel. This gonna be kind of like my first video. I've recorded other videos, but I just never seem to be able to post them, but I'm gonna post this one. So this is a video about how I made my Polaroid dress for my 2-year hair anniversary. It's gonna be 2 years of me doing hair. I started July of last year, and this is my 2nd year, July 1st. So I'm really excited for that because I just grown so much in just such a short amount of time. So these are the Polaroid pictures that I got. I don't know if I'm gonna show all of them, but I'll show y'all like a couple of them. They look like, oh man, they look like this. I just got them made. I'll I'll put down in the description below where I got my Polaroid pictures made, because these are all regular pictures. I just got them made into like Polaroid style, and these are all my beautiful clients. Thanks to y'all supporting me for so long over these 2 years. I got clients that have been coming to me since I started. So this one is just a dedication to y'all, my queens. I just, you know, show y'all step by step about me making it. This is my first time making it, so y'all, it's my first time, y'all first time, so we just gonna see, you know, how it come out. It's gonna be cute, but instead of doing a dress, I'm gonna try to do a 2-piece. I'm gonna see how I like it, so it can be like a little bit different. So yeah, we're gonna hole punch 4 corners and each of the Polaroids so we can connect them. I got my mama helping me too, y'all. Say hey, mama.
Hey, girl.
These little bead things. I'm gonna show y'all the back so y'all can see. I got these little bead things or whatever. I'm gonna put down below like what they're called and find out the real names. This is also what would this be called? This is also something else that would be put down below because I don't know the name of it. I just found out we gotta put those little things in this hole puncher each time. Like what? This just gonna take me forever, y'all. My shoot is on Sunday and I have no time tomorrow. It's Friday. This is crazy. I got time to be seeing while they putting this in. One picture done, y'all. This is how it's gonna look after you punch it. Be connected. You gotta take these little papers out.
Six months later.
As y'all can see, I finally finished 4 years later putting all of the little things in each 4 corner of every picture. As you can see in this clip, you can see like the little ring, the little washer things I added off camera, but all I did was literally add the washers in to the holes of each picture, and then I'm just gonna literally like connect the 2 washers that I'm pointing to. I'm gonna connect them, you see, and then I just took one and just combined it all 4 of the pictures together so they're close like that. I'm gonna show you guys off camera, but I just want to show you this. Like, it's so cute. Like, details, y'all. Details. So freaking cute. All my babies. Okay, y'all, so this is the dress laid out. In the front row, I put 1 row of 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 pictures to go across my bust, and then 3 like little dangle pictures. I might take one out, I'm not sure yet, guys. But for my bottom, I had to use, this is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. I used 8 on the top row for my waist because my waist is smaller, and then like for my butt, I put 10 rows. 10 rows, 3 rows all in total. Guys, like, I'm so excited because it just came out exactly, you know what I'm saying, how I wanted it to come out. Like, I really couldn't ask for it to come out better. This is the next day. It is 9:29. It's photo shoot day. It's gonna be so cute, y'all. I'm excited to just see how everything, you know, I need to stop leaving my lotion open. But y'all, my top, it broke. And I don't know how it broke. And that's so irritating because I love this lotion, y'all. I have to put y'all on. It's called Supreme Body Souffle Cashmere Collection. Okay. Supreme. Okay, and it comes in like the cutest little thing. And even though it's small, y'all, it lasted so long. And I use it. It smells so good. It's so classy. Like souffle. Body souffle. Y'all hoes do not wear souffle. I wear lotion. I wear souffle. Okay? Hello. Anywho, that is that. See what I mean, y'all? Like, I can't twist it on. I don't know what's wrong with it. And I also gotta get my press-ons put on. Y'all know my nail tech don't play. She ain't never played. She never was gonna play. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, my nail tech is gonna put my press-ons on. You know what I'm saying? My baby Erin. Make sure y'all follow her on Instagram. Rita Nailed It. If y'all ever in the city, or if y'all from the city, get your nails done by her. Get some press-ons made by her, cause she does the damn thing, and that's on period. Period. It is 11:31. I feel like I'm doing good on time because all I gotta do is really go to the mall. I think I'm just gonna go to the mall because I know I could just get everything that I need there. But I also want to get like a pink comb and stuff, like to go with my picture and stuff like that, or some pink scissors. I'm not really sure, but I want to get some pink something hair accessory wise. I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store for that. I'm gonna show y'all the outfit in the little mirror. We have the Lorbeys, baby. Yes. We have the bodysuits with the Gucci purse and the Jordan ones. It's giving. It's not too much. Like, it's cute, you know. I hate mixing gold and silver together, y'all. Like, I feel like that's just not it. But I'm trying to get out of that. So we have the gold and the silver. Because I want to wear gold because, you know, the detailing in my glasses is gold. And again, I'm not wearing my hair like this for the shoot. So don't think so. But isn't this cute? Like, yes. So I just now left the mall. I end up getting some shoes. I'm gonna show you guys the shoes when I get in the car. They're so freaking cute. I didn't end up getting anything else. Like, I didn't get my nipple covers. I didn't get my underwear. I didn't get anything else. Anything else. But these are the shoes. Nothing from Akira. Aren't these just so freaking adorable? Ugh, don't look at my nails, but these are so cute. They're gonna be so cute with my Polaroid dress and for my photo shoot. And then I got some camo pants. Y'all, I'm absolutely in love with these pants. It's gonna be so cute. It's gonna eat the girls down with my outfit. Like, red is red in. This red is red in. What was said? What was said, girl? No, Alonza has black hair. AP has red hair. Alonza, let me tell y'all the difference between Alonza and AP. Alonza is that girl too, don't ever get a thug. But Alonza, she work. She don't do shit. She don't do nothing. AP is that motherfucker girl. She be in everything. She be styling her profile. She don't play with you hoes. You know what I'm saying? That's AP. I be irritating. I haven't seen my press on yet. My bad.
You still ain't looking?
No, I can't look.
Oh, I was about to say.
I haven't seen my press on yet, and I'm so excited. This is my nail.
Don't stay scared like
you don't ever play about me. This is my best friend. Say her best friend. This is my cousin behind the camera. Say hey cousin. This friend over here. Hey girl, and they help.
I just want you to stop being controlling and just tell me what it's like. Because if I would have dropped it, then
My bad.
finna have me knock Lola in the head.
I said, don't play with me. He ain't never played. Yay. These are so cute.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap and flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17.
Really excited. I hope you guys tune in. You know what I'm saying? I'm hoping this video helps. Bear with me. This is my first little video for real that I went through. Because like I said in the beginning, I recorded videos, but I just never posted them. I still might post them. I don't know. But yeah, so bear with me. If you guys have any questions, you know, comment them in the comment section below. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I don't know what I want to call you guys yet, but bye.